Makisig Morales, born December 22, 1996, is a Filipino-Australian former actor who appeared on the TV show Little Big Star and is the delivery man of the boy band Mac and the Dudes. As a child actor, he played the lead role in the international Emmy-nominated fantasy Super Ingo. Morales is the second child of Davao City residents Alderico and Jacqueline. His siblings include brothers and sisters Mayumi, Majiting, Maya, Maliksi, Marikit, Mahinhin, Malaming, Maninging, and Matikas. At the age of 5, Morales competed in the duet Bulalit, a singing segment in MTB, a noontime variety show of ABS-CBN, together with his sister Mayumi. Morales later auditioned with his sister Mayumi and brother Vincent in Little Big Star, a TV singing contest of ABS-CBN.
Nagtataka lang po ako sa inyo eh. Years ko na pong hinahanap ang nanay ko. Pero kayo po, andyan na po, yung... Ma, huwag tayo mag-iyakan.
Yung ag-agawin, inaampun ka. Oh my! Oh my God, Papa! Oh my! Promise I'll be a good daughter to you. Thank you po. Salamat.
4? 5? Oh.
Pagsilbihan mo ang bayan! Sir!
Papaalam na sana ako. You're leaving? Kami ang nanay ko. Hindi nga dumiyan! Matagal na yan nandyan! Ano ba? Si Mang Jim daw po may-ari ng bar na to. Eh, sabi po nila, nung nag-CR pa, okay pa siya eh. Sabi po nila, masayang-masaya. Tumigil yung bagyo, tapos tumigil nga. Magpatigil ka pa ng bagyo. Kaya ko talaga yun. Nawala lang ako sa focus. Kasi nga itong si...
Ako si Dumakulim, ang bagani ng angkan ng kagubatan.